Comet, asteroid, or something else?
A mysterious space object is hurtling towards Earth, and while it could just be a comet, a renowned theoretical physicist is pushing the possibility that it could be a nuclear-powered spacecraft.
You hear about that fucking object that's hurtling towards Earth at like 130,000 miles an hour?
No, that might solve all our problems.
Some intergalactic object that's hurt. This guy, Avi Loeb, he's a professor at Harvard that believes it might be an alien probe.
July 1st, 2025, 1:42 a.m. local time. At the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile's remote Atacama region, an algorithm flags something impossible on the night's observations, a fuzzy dot moving against the stars. But this isn't just another space rock. The trajectory calculations show it's traveling at over 180,000 miles per hour from outside our solar system. In less than 8 weeks since discovery, 3i Atlas has already forced NASA to deploy both the James Webb Space Telescope and the brand new Spherix Observatory in an unprecedented coordinated observation campaign. What they've found will blow your mind, because this interstellar visitor isn't just passing through. It's actively changing as we watch, revealing secrets that could rewrite our understanding of how solar systems form.
What's up, space explorers? Before we dive into this absolutely mind-blowing discovery that's happening right now, make sure you're subscribed, because we're witnessing astronomical history unfold in real time. Hope you enjoy the video. This is humanity's third confirmed interstellar visitor. First came Oumuamua in 2017. That mysterious cigar-shaped object that left more questions than answers. Then Borisov in 2019, which looked and acted like a normal comet. But 3 Atlas? It's unlike anything we've ever seen. And here's the crazy part. It's still out there right now, actively being studied by humanity's most advanced space telescopes as I'm recording this video. But before I reveal the shocking discovery that has astronomers around the world scrambling to rewrite textbooks, we need to understand exactly what makes this cosmic visitor so extraordinary. Let me paint you the scene. The Atlas project, Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, has 4 telescopes around the world, constantly scanning the sky for potentially dangerous asteroids. But on July 1st, 2025, the Chile facility detected something that shouldn't exist. Dr. Robert Weirich, the same astronomer who discovered Oumuamua, was reviewing the automated detections when the preliminary orbital calculations appeared on his screen. The numbers didn't make sense. Every object in our solar system follows an elliptical path around the sun, like cars on a circular racetrack. But 3i Atlas was following a hyperbolic trajectory. More like a bullet, fired straight through our cosmic neighborhood. The velocity? An absolutely staggering 180,000 miles per hour relative to the sun. That's fast enough to travel from Los Angeles to New York in 90 seconds. But here's what made astronomers' jaws drop. When they traced its path backward through space and time, the calculations showed this object had been traveling through the cold, dark void between stars for potentially hundreds of millions of years before entering our solar system. Imagine being Dr. Weirich at that moment. You've just discovered humanity's 3rd visitor from another star system, and this one is different. This one is active. It's not just passing through silently. It's changing, evolving, revealing its secrets as it approaches our sun. But what happened next is where this story gets absolutely incredible. Within 72 hours of confirmation that 3i Atlas was indeed interstellar, something unprecedented happened in the astronomy community. NASA activated emergency observation protocols typically reserved for potentially dangerous asteroids. Within 72 hours of confirmation that 3i Atlas was indeed interstellar, something unprecedented happened in the astronomy community.
NASA activated emergency observation protocols typically reserved for potentially hazardous asteroids. This wasn't just about one telescope getting a quick look. This was a coordinated campaign involving NASA's newest space observatory SPHEREX, the James Webb Space Telescope, the Hubble Space Telescope, and ground-based observatories around the world. Between August 6th and 12th, 2025, these telescopes turned their attention to this cosmic visitor and made discoveries that are still sending shockwaves through the scientific community. SPHEREX, NASA's newest space telescope designed to study the origins of the universe, detected something extraordinary. 3I Atlas wasn't just a chunk of rock and ice. It was actively venting massive amounts of carbon dioxide into space.
We're talking about a carbon dioxide coma extending over 200,000 miles in diameter. To put that in perspective, you could fit Earth's orbit around the Moon inside this gas cloud 5 times over.
Dr. Martin Cordner, leading the SPHEREX observations, calculated that 3I Atlas is losing approximately 70 kilograms of material every single second. That's like a small car's worth of ancient interstellar material being vaporized and ejected into space every second. But here's where it gets mind-blowing. When the James Webb Space Telescope turned its infrared eyes toward 3I Atlas, it didn't just confirm the carbon dioxide. It detected water ice and carbon monoxide signatures embedded within the comet's nucleus. Think about what this means. This object has been carrying water, the fundamental ingredient for life as we know it, across the galaxy for hundreds of millions of years. It's literally a flying reservoir that has witnessed the rise and fall of entire civilizations on planets we can't even imagine.
The chemical composition of 3I Atlas is like reading a cosmic passport. It tells us exactly where this visitor has been and what conditions it experienced during its interstellar journey. Dr. Avi Loeb from Harvard, one of the world's leading experts on interstellar objects, analyzed the chemical signatures and made a startling conclusion. The ratios of carbon dioxide to water ice in 3I Atlas are completely different from any comet in our solar system. This chemical fingerprint suggests that 3I Atlas formed in a stellar environment with significantly different conditions than our solar system. We're talking about a star system that was either much older, much younger, or had a completely different evolutionary history than our Sun. In August 2025, the Hubble Space Telescope captured the sharpest image ever taken of an interstellar object's nucleus. What it revealed was shocking. 3I Atlas has a nucleus approximately 3 miles across, making it significantly larger than both Oumuamua and Borisov. But size wasn't the surprise. The surprise was what Hubble didn't see. Unlike every other comet we've studied, 3I Atlas shows no visible dust tail or traditional coma. It's releasing pure gas, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and carbon monoxide, with almost no solid particles. This discovery is forcing astronomers to completely rethink how comets form in other star systems. Dr. Jennifer Bergner from UC Berkeley led a study that suggests 3I Atlas might have formed in the outer regions of its original solar system, where temperatures were so cold that traditional dust grains couldn't condense. We're essentially looking at a comet that formed under conditions that don't exist anywhere in our solar system. It's an ambassador from an alien world with alien physics. But the most incredible discovery came when scientists analyzed exactly how 3I Atlas is losing this material as it approaches our Sun.
As 3I Atlas has approached the Sun throughout August 2025, something unprecedented has been happening. It's behaving like no comet in recorded astronomical history. Normal comets develop beautiful visible tails as solar radiation heats their surface and vaporizes ice and dust. But 3I Atlas? It's releasing massive amounts of gas with almost no visible activity. It's like watching a ghost comet, incredibly active, but nearly invisible to traditional observation methods. The Sphere-X observations between August 8th and 12th revealed that this invisible outgassing is happening in a highly organized pattern. The carbon dioxide isn't just randomly venting from the surface. It's being released in structured jets that suggest the nucleus has a complex internal composition. Dr. Michael Cordoner's team calculated that the gas production rate is increasing as 3I/Atlas approaches perihelion, its closest approach to the Sun, in October 2025. But the pattern of increase doesn't match any known comet behavior. Here's where it gets absolutely mind-blowing. When scientists compared the outgassing pattern of 3I/Atlas to computer models of comets formed in different types of star systems, they found a match. But not with a system like ours. The data suggests 3I/Atlas originated from a binary star system, two stars orbiting each other, where radiation environments and ice formation processes are completely different from what we experience around our single sun. For the first time in human history, we're not just detecting an object from another star system, we're directly studying the conditions and processes that shaped a completely alien world. We're doing comparative planetary science across interstellar distances. But here's the thing. We're running out of time to study this incredible visitor.
Atlas has proven that we live in a dynamic, interconnected galaxy, where star systems regularly exchange material and potentially even the building blocks of life. We're not isolated islands in space. We're part of a vast cosmic ecosystem. As we continue to track this incredible visitor over the coming months, every observation is writing new chapters in our understanding of how planets form, how star systems evolve, and how common the ingredients for life might be throughout our galaxy. The story of 3I/Atlas is still being written. In October, we'll watch it reach perihelion. In December, we'll get our final close-up look before it begins its journey back to the stars. And who knows what discoveries await us between now and then. Right now, as you're watching this video, 3I/ATLAS is out there, 300 million miles away, silently venting ancient gases from another star system into the vacuum of space. It's a living reminder that we're part of something much larger than our own solar system.
If you want to stay updated on the latest discoveries from 3I/Atlas, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. The next few months are going to be absolutely incredible for interstellar science. And speaking of incredible discoveries, next week we're covering the James Webb Space Telescope's shocking detection of water vapor around a potentially habitable planet just 12 light-years away. You won't want to miss it. Until then, remember 3I/Atlas is still out there, still changing, still revealing its secrets. We're witnessing history unfold in real time, and you're part of that incredible journey.